Good morning, students. This is the second stanza of the poem An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. So first stanza हम लोग describe already कर चुके हैं कि किस तरह से how does the poet describes the condition of the children. Now look here. In the second stanza, the poet gives a brief description of the classroom. On sour cream walls, donations, Shakespeare's head. Cloudless at dawn, civilized, doom, riding all cities. Buried, flowery, toilets, valley, open-handed map. This is the second stanza which is written in your book as well. So look the second stanza. In the second stanza, the poet gives a description of the classroom. The classroom is painted with cream color. The walls of the classrooms have been painted with cream color, dark cream color. And there are the list of donators, donations, जो जिन लोगों ने कुछ डोनेट किया है, like fan, table, whatever, उनकी लिस्ट जो है उस क्लासरूम के अंदर लगी हुई है. Shakespeare's head, a picture of Shakespeare can also be seen on the classroom walls. There are the flowers, valleys, everything has been painted on the classroom walls. So this is the description of the classroom, and these windows, not the windows, are burned. What actually does the poet want to say? The poet wants to say that the classroom is dim because of there is no light of knowledge, education. There is nothing education. But the classroom's walls are decorated very beautifully. There is flowers pictures, there is a map, there is Shakespeare's image, there are flowers, whatever things, they all are painted on the classroom walls. But there is no education. This is ironical standard. This is the description. But the Shakespeare, the donators' names, or whatever the flowers, these are not useful for the children. Education is useful for the children, and that is missing from the classroom walls. From the classroom. In the third stanza, the poet says that surely Shakespeare is wicked, and the map a bad example, with ships and sun and love tempting them to steal, for lives that slowly turn in their cramped holes from fog to endless night. In the third stanza, the poet says that the image of Shakespeare is useless. There is no use for the children if they do not know who is dead. So this is useless. And the children do not need all these things. They need the proper education. Only the pictures, only the images, they are their world. They have nothing seen outside of the world. So, if we paint all these things, it may be very harmful for the children. Because the children might be tempted to get those things, and they might go on the wrong path to achieve these things. So they are useless. So actually poet wants to say that first you should tell the students that this is Shakespeare, this is the world, this is the map, so that they can know it better. But this is nothing in the classroom. This is missing in the classroom. And now the poet makes a comment that now the life of the children is in the fog. Fog means धुंधलापन होता है. But it may go into the darkness, endless night. तो अभी जो उनका जीवन है स्टूडेंट्स का, जो बच्चे वहां पर पढ़ रहे हैं, वो एक फॉग के समान है. फॉग में हम देख सकते हैं विजिबिलिटी कहीं ना कहीं होती है, और जिसको हम जिसमें जैसे हम अगर विंटर का ही एग्जांपल ले लें, इन द विंटर सीजन अगर फॉग है तो जैसे ही सूर्य की रोशनी निकलती है, फॉग धीरे धीरे करके जो है हट जाता है. But at this time they are living in the fog. लेकिन अगर उनका जीवन एक एंडलेस अंधकार में जो है चला जाता है तो उसको हम जो है रिमूव नहीं कर सकते। So the poet appeals to those persons that they should save the life of the children so that they should remove this darkness, and the darkness can only be removed by the knowledge, by education. Where skins peeped through by bones and spectacles of steel. Again the poet gives the same description of the children, that they are very poor, they are very weak, and they have the dirty clothes. That's why they are sitting in the classroom. So finally the poet at the last stanza gives a very good message, that if these children wants to do something better in their life, so they should remove the darkness, they should break the walls of this classroom, they should go ahead, they should look the green world, they should look the green beauty, they should look the golden light of knowledge. It is possible when they are being educated in the classroom. So actually this is the whole conversation. Whatever the poet tells us, he tells that stanza by stanza the poet makes it clear that their life is in the darkness, and if we want to remove the darkness, so there is only one weapon, that is education, education and education, by which these children may get a bright future, may get or may look the beauty of the world. So in the poem An Elementary Classroom Slum, the poet gives the whole description of children's life conditions, classrooms conditions. डोनेटर्स के नेम्स मेंशन है लेकिन नहीं पता है, तो these are the ironical comments. After watching this video, listening the whole concept, if you have still any doubt, then ask me, then I'll give some exercise to solve it. Thank you very much.